AMD has officially released its latest Windows 11 25H2 RAID drivers, version 9.3.3.00245, providing long-awaited support for a wide range of modern Ryzen chipsets and devices, including Socket AM5 600 and 800 series motherboards, such as A620, B650, B650E, X670, X670E, B840, B850, X870, and X870E, while also ensuring compatibility with the newest Ryzen AI mobile SKUs, including 300 series and Ryzen 7000 series desktop processors. And although AMD dropped support for older AM4 platforms long ago, this new release confirms the company's commitment to delivering full RAID functionality for current and upcoming Windows 11 25H2 feature update devices, and comes just days after Microsoft ended official support for Windows 11 23H2 and began automatically pushing the 25H2 update to eligible devices that meet system requirements, meaning that this new driver ensures that users upgrading to 25H2 won't encounter compatibility issues with RAID setups, which are critical for users who rely on multiple disks for redundancy or performance enhancement, as RAID, or a redundant array of independent disks, allows multiple disks to be combined in a way that prevents data loss and improves system throughput. And in this release, AMD has also upgraded the RAID-Expert2 utility to version 9.3.3.00245, addressing GUI fixes and enhancements, including a more user-friendly interface that displays the EULA only once after initial acceptance, fixes for sporadic device drop issues, and resolution of bug checks that previously caused system instability. Yet despite these improvements, AMD has cautioned users about several installation-related issues, emphasizing that RAID configuration can be sensitive and that careful attention is needed during the update process, including performing consecutive reboots twice after upgrading or downgrading the RAID drivers, handling informed removal of front bay NVMe drives after a RAID transformation with an additional reboot, and noting that RAID drivers may fail to load when installing Windows 11 24H2 or 25H2 using optical disk drives as boot media, or when the operating system is installed on a RAID array that is not the first array on the system, which is why many users may prefer software-based RAID solutions, such as Windows built-in storage spaces, providing a simpler and safer alternative, especially for those who don't require the full hardware RAID performance or redundancy, but still want to manage multiple drives efficiently. And the timing of this update couldn't be better, because with Windows 11 25H2 being Microsoft's latest feature release for 2025, system stability and compatibility are paramount, and AMD's proactive release demonstrates a commitment to ensuring Ryzen AI PCs can leverage both the hardware performance and redundancy benefits that RAID offers. As the combination of Ryzen AI processors and 25H2 brings advanced AI capabilities, multitasking efficiency, and optimized system responsiveness, and users who install these drivers can expect improved RAID management through RAID-Expert2's updated GUI, smoother handling of array transformations, better support for NVMe devices, and overall increased system reliability during both everyday workloads and intensive data operations. And while AMD warns of potential installation pitfalls, these precautions are manageable for experienced users who follow the guidance carefully, reboot properly, and ensure that RAID arrays are properly configured prior to upgrading. And for those new to RAID, understanding these warnings and following installation instructions is crucial, as improper setup could result in data loss or system instability. So even with the enhanced compatibility that 9.3.3.00245 offers, caution remains essential. And this is especially important for professionals using multiple high-capacity drives for content creation, gaming, AI development, or scientific workloads, where downtime or data loss can have significant consequences. And overall, the release signals AMD's dedication to keeping Ryzen AI PCs future-proof and fully compatible with the latest Windows updates, demonstrating that RAID functionality is still a priority, that the company is actively monitoring issues, and that it is committed to providing timely updates to match Microsoft's annual feature schedule, making this release critical for those who rely on RAID for both performance and redundancy. And finally, the recommendation is clear. If you are using a Ryzen AM5 600 or 800 series desktop, or a modern Ryzen AI mobile processor, You should install this new RAID driver to ensure full Windows 11 25 H2 compatibility. But follow all installation instructions carefully. Perform the recommended consecutive reboots. And consider using Windows storage spaces if you want to avoid potential hardware RAID complications. Because these steps will safeguard your system and data, improve RAID management and performance, and guarantee that your system is ready for future Windows updates. And for more in-depth tech guidance, updates, and walkthroughs, stay tuned and keep watching TechVerse.